Hello! It's me, yet again, Lee from OhSoRetro. Tonight, we are at one of our summer evening meets that we run alongside my classic car club, Planet Classics. Tonight, this is absolutely bonkers. We chucked it up on Facebook about 2 weeks ago, thinking we get maybe a few hundred cars, and I don't know how many are here. It's probably 300, 400, 500 cars and thousands of people. Not bad for a crazy little Tuesday weekday evening meet. We're gonna have a quick wander around and we're gonna have a chat to some people once we find some of them. Terry's up here touting for business, selling his wares. Terry Bullsign writing. It's a joke, but it's actually, well, his name.
Crazy, man.
I've got issues, haven't I?
Speaking of retro, I think.
Local legend. We are going to come back and visit you properly. Can you tell us a little bit, just a very brief overview?
Very brief. 1950 Chevy truck, 3100, LS engine, full air ride.
Wow.
Yeah.
We are coming back to visit you properly, aren't we? And we're going to hopefully get some of your... Have you been making any more models?
I've got a few. I've got a couple, yeah, at home you can look at. Yeah, keeps me busy, keeps me away from the wife.
Keeps you away from the wife. This is what retirement does to you. I've been talking to you old boys, haven't I?
Yeah, yeah, that's what we do. See you later.
He's a big fan of my hair.
You mean to say that off?
No, don't, because it's just there's a lot of it. I know you've got a couple of cars, haven't you now? You've got two pretty things.
Yeah.
What are you driving tonight, mate?
This is a 32 full Roadster. Just had the roof built.
Yep.
Ian and I built the roof, so this is hopefully the one and only time I ride it with a roof.
Okay.
So I want to take it off, put it in the boot, never see it again.
Oh, is that okay? So you put it up to test it, have you? Okay.
But yeah, it drives great. It's good fun. Came in from Oklahoma last year. That's my retirement present.
That's your retirement. Well, you haven't retired though, have we? As we discussed.
No.
You're never going to retire, are you?
I'll have to get another car when I do retire.
Thanks, mate.
Cars.
Not waiting to pull Phil, mate. Not waiting to He's always asking me, but I'll say no.
Who are you? What are you driving tonight?
My name is Bill Skeet. I'm driving a 1958 Cadillac. I've had it since '89.
It's ridiculously long.
I've fully restored it, painted it, glass, trim, interior, rebuilt engine, rebuilt gates, gearbox.
You've got a few other cars as well, haven't you?
Yes,
In bits.
in bits. Been in the cars for years and years and years. They've tried to kill me a couple of times. I keep buying the things. Sorry for my language.
We'll beat that, don't worry. He's a professional beeper nowadays because there's a lot of swearing that goes on.
At the end of the day, I live in a little village outside of Canterbury. I don't like rugby, I don't like cricket, I don't like field sports, football. I love cars.
How long have you been building cars? It's a long time, ain't it? A long flipping time.
I built my first rod when I was about 14. I bought one old Ford Popular.
Wow.
I had visions of doing it up, and in the end I modified it into a pile of on the floor.
Wow.
I sold that, but I mean, yeah. Then obviously I done my neck when I was 21.
Yeah.
So they put me out of commission about 4 or 5 years. But yeah, I must have had 50 American cars,
Jeez.
3 or 4 rods, and I love them. They're getting harder now. The older I get, the harder I used to do them. But if it's what you like, you know.
You do it, don't you?
You know, I don't like fishing.
No, I can't think of anything worse than fishing. That's kind of...
I don't mind a bit of boxing, but that's about it. I think if you're in the car...
Are you any good in the ring or not?
Well, my girlfriend says so. Again, we get back to the same question, see?
On that note, see you later, mate. I'll see you soon. Thanks for coming. I love him. Come here, I haven't seen you.
How you doing, guys?
If you don't know him, you probably do. Absolute legend, Karl Vella. Karl, you're on the chop tonight.
I'm on the pork chop today.
Tell the internet what it is and, well,
The internet, well, this started life as a 1980 GSX 750 EC. I put the GSX 1985 1100 EFE.
I'm lost already for the record. Know nothing about bikes.
Suzuki all the way. Look, tattoos, lovely. We have GSXR front and rear end on it. Harley rear mudguard. Airbrush work by John O'Hara of Pit Stop Paint. You need to try that out, honestly. Everybody that's into cars, bikes, whatever. John O'Hara, Pit Stop Paint. He lives in the Isle of Skye, which is a little island just off of Scotland. Works out of his shed.
Wow.
Check some of his stuff out.
Ages.
It's good to see you, man. Look
And you
at it.
finally
It's like an OhSoRetro right here.
You finally got a little girl.
Yes, mate. So
Yeah, I bet,
yeah, we
yeah.
had a gender reveal this weekend. We had
Well-
a baby girl, so
In true Karl Vella style, it had a burnout attire that was pink or blue. You had one before for your boy, didn't you?
Yeah.
That was blue, and
Yeah.
this time it was pink. And you're happy.
yeah.
Your missus is really
the missus
happy.
is really happy because we got 3 boys at home. I've got 2 girls from another relationship, but she's got 3 boys, so it's really good to see pink this time. I think if it was blue, she would have just left. Just left everybody to get drunk or whatever and jump on the bouncy castle.
No, I'm
She'd be
glad.
Crying.
Mate, it's been way too long.
This geezer is the biggest legend. He is the man.
I don't know. I think you're further up than me.
No,
I think more people know you. Look who we've just found.
hello. Wait. Sausage.
Probably something about that's not the first bit of meat he's had in his mouth, is it? On that note, love you. Are you really happy about tonight's gone?
Fantastic. Everybody says the best, biggest car show they've never heard of.
Well, it's not even a car show. This is a meet. We posted it on Facebook 2 weeks ago, shared it 5 times. Not even on the OhSoRetro stuff. So
Thanks very much.
no, brilliant.
show.
Nice one, mate.
Thank you.
We'll be back again soon, I'm sure. I'm guessing this guy's called James here because he's put his name here, but his number wrong. It's for sale if anyone's interested.
Yeah, blow the number out.
What is it?
Okay, internet. Well, we've got a 67 Beetle chassis, so we've got a 1600 engine on the back, air cooled. Loud enough, sets car alarms off. Some safety features.
Safety features?
You've got the hand saws on the sides.
I hadn't spotted those.
Yeah. We got the jacking points here. You don't want to take people's shins out, so this protects people's shins. Obviously, when you're putting the hammer down, if you want to have a look at the gear stick there, you've got the
There's a hammer.
nice and simple inside, very cheap on windscreen wipers. It did have a beer cannon, but that was too much, I felt, so I got this for the Tesco shopping.
Plenty of room for nothing.
Exactly, yeah, put the avocados in there. But yeah, this is a wine rack, that's a barbecue.
Obviously, you need a wine rack on your car.
Well, you never know when you're going to get
Did you
stuck.
build it?
No, I got someone who was really clever to build it. I bought it off them really at a good price. So
Fair enough.
Good motor, good little daily. If anyone is interested, just put an 8 there. So 0743742 8885. So there you go.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, James.
You too, fellas.
I'm really confused now. Okay, so that was tonight's crazy little meet that we threw together 2 weeks ago. Hopefully you enjoyed it. There'll be more back here on this YouTube channel. Make sure you check us out on Facebook, like us on Instagram, wrong way round, at OhSoRetro events. Make sure you like, subscribe this video, and you'll see lots more of this, and I'll be dragging Matt around with me randomly. As always, you go to the website, spend some pennies, www.ohsoretro.co.uk. There's loads of stuff on there. I think it's still on discount, it might not be by the time the video's out, but go on there anyway. And what we'll do is we'll put up a YouTube discount code. So put in YouTube and check out on the website, you get 10% off. It's been emotional, guys. Thank you very much. Love you, bye.